Can anybody guess what this is? I bought it some months ago. It's been in my house and I've never used it before. I've opened it up, but I've never used it before. I don't even know how to use it. What is it? It is a pressure tester to find leaks in your cooling system on your car. My 2004 Golf, ever since I bought it, it has been leaking coolant. I never knew where it was leaking to though. Shortly after I got it, I was riding around and the low coolant light came on. I stopped and put some coolant in it. It went away. Well, of course, the light came back on, I don't know, maybe a month later. So I've owned the car, I don't know, about 4 years. And about every month or two, I have to put coolant in it. But this last time, I put coolant in it, and I put coolant in it, parked it in the backyard, came back the next time, cranked it up, and the damn low coolant light was on. I checked and the coolant's low. So today I'm gonna put some coolant in it, and let's see, can I find out where the hell it's leaking from. Now the other day, I filled this thing up with antifreeze. And I actually mixed it, and the next day, it was talking about it was low again. So I'm gonna put some in it today. Hopefully I can see where it's leaking from. I hear it's running, going through the engine. For a second, I didn't think I had a fitting to fit. I don't know, for some reason, that don't look like it'll fit, right? But it does. It does fit. It said 10 to 15 psi. Yeah, don't push the damn coolant out, I think. All right, we're almost at 15 psi. Seem to be holding. Let me. You know, I got this hose here and I can hear something. You hear that? I don't see anything leaking though. Hey, I found my leak. In the back of the car. Let me let the pressure off before I lose all my coolant. I'm gonna jack the car up and see if I find a leak. All right, that looks like the air injection. I think that's what that's called. I tightened up that screw last time. I'm sorry, can you see that? I tightened up that screw right there last time, but it don't look like it's leaking from that screw. It look like it's leaking from the damn head, or the bottom of the head or whatever. All right, I'll pump some air in this thing, pressure in it, and I see it leaking. I mean, I see it's dripping. I don't want it dripping my damn Yep, it's dripping from what looks like the head gasket. Now, could I take that air injection thing off and see is it leaking from that? Them bolts are probably going to script if I do that. I guarantee them bolts are going to script. So I can see some wetness in the head gasket right to the right. Right to the right. You can see wetness at the gasket. Yeah, I think it's the head gasket. But I've always had to put water in that car, just not this often. Like I said, used to have to put water in about once a month or two. But now as soon as I put water in it, it leaks out. So I can't rebuild the engine in that Golf while this regular ass Cadillac sitting here. Guess I have to start working on the Cadillac again. But first, I'm gonna go to pull apart and see can I get a bumper and fender for my Mercedes. Make it look a little better. And then I will finish the Cadillac, get the Cadillac out of here. I need to put an exhaust manifold on my Trailblazer. I mean, I can drive the Golf because the other day I drove it to Home Depot, and I think I drove a couple other places. It ran fine, you know, ran fine. And to be honest with you, the Golf engine does need rebuilding. It's got a lot of blow-by. It doesn't use oil. It doesn't smoke. I mean, it uses a little oil, but it doesn't smoke. But it's got a lot of blow-by. And I think the engine needs rebuilding. At least I damn sure know it needs a damn head gasket now. Dre, y'all have a good day. I don't remember what I paid for this thing, but this is the first time I've used it, and it worked just like advertised.